Big step in the border battle on the horizon tonight. In just hours, a federal judge taking on 2 more legal challenges to our new immigration law. ABC 15's Rutabe Shabazi explains who's fighting and how much it's costing.
Arizona has a long, sad history of profiling.
It could take years for U.S. District Judge Susan Bolton to hear the numerous challenges against SB1070. And tomorrow she's scheduled to hear 2 of them, as the federal government and more than 100 plaintiffs, including the ACLU and NAACP, try to block the law from going into effect next week.
Laws like Arizona's put huge pressures on local law enforcement to enforce rules that ultimately are unenforceable.
But Governor Brewer is asking Bolton to dismiss the lawsuit.
Well, I want our borders secured. I mean, he can challenge 1070 all he wants. And of course, I have said repeatedly, I'll see him in court.
And to fight that battle, she's hired a private law firm after pressuring Attorney General Terry Goddard to step down because of his political views.
It's a very tough issue, but I think, yes, the state could win the challenge on the jurisdiction angle.
The cost of defending the bill in just the last 2 weeks of May was nearly $80,000. It's unclear how much of that will be passed on to the taxpayers, but the Associated Press reports the governor's legal defense fund already has $500,000 in donations.
I would like to see that money maybe go into border security.
And last week, the same judge held a similar hearing but did not come to any decisions. And it's unclear if she will come to any decisions before the law is scheduled to go into effect next week. We did call the governor's office for a comment on this story, and they did not return our phone calls. Reporting live in Phoenix, Rutabe Shabazi, ABC 15 News.